We got the new Flexispot standing desk here. Why don't you go ahead and hit the memory button? Let's see how it works. The package itself came in two boxes. You're looking at the bamboo top box right here. And then here's the second box, or just the components that were in the box. And here's what it looks like when it's attached to the bamboo top. Let's do a quick walk around to the desk here. You can see I've got a nice bamboo top. There's holes in the top to run your cables back. There aren't a whole lot of cables actually from the device itself. It's really just a power cable there. And you can see, we'll take a look at underneath. It's nicely contained in a little cable strip there. And then where it's really fun is the buttons here. You can preset or you can do it manually. So I'm going to hit the preset here. And it's one touch and it just goes right up. And you can stop at any time and adjust little by little. But it's pretty quiet and pretty fast and really strong.